Yo. Check it. I came on this earth with big dreams since the day of birth, 12/12/90. All hail overload the Almighty. These days people cry caring about what she says and he says. I came from a family of hard work in the heat waves. I don't expect to get paid for those days. You bet your ass I done learned the street ways. The beat plays as my rap fluid speech craze. Get ready to dig your deep graves. The feet saves as you bleed deep cuts and weak shaves. Lemurs ain't going nowhere. Meet the Rangers and the Braves. So you can forget about the home run base. Young cats in the game, feel my rage. You can't fuck with Z-Town, homies in the cage. Get pushed around, you smoke too much chronic by the pound. You all deaf, you can't hear a sound. I'm illest with my underground fellas. I make it rain with vocabulary words. Grab your umbrellas. Serendipity, hippity with my hop I quickly make the girls wanna be strictly dickily. I guess my tongue and lickety. Complexity don't exist unless you miss Christmas and care too much about the gifts. I switch shifts and gears quick, lick, tongue twist. I got you having tears, fears of me stopping. I get you holding my head, watching the clock time tick-tocking. Spit rocket, hold up, quit knocking, and start bobbing your head back and forth like you metal rocking. Time flows, never shocking. Yeah.